We begin this week right here in our very own Milky Way galaxy, where the European Space Agency has big news.
With the Gaia Space Observatory, the European Space Agency aims to create the most accurate and complete multi-dimensional map of our astronomical neighborhood, the Milky Way.
Launched in 2013, the Gaia Space Observatory maps the brightness, makeup, motion, and temperature of the stars around us as part of a bigger mission to create a 3D model of our galaxy and beyond. The latest data from Gaia sparked a discovery in a star's life cycle.
What we are detecting is in stars very tiny little oscillations, which is sort of a very interesting insight into the interiors of stars and understanding better the inner structure, which then can be compared with theoretical models. So it was a sort of very important step in understanding of stellar physics.
Scientists hail Gaia's mapping work as crucial to the parallax method, which compares the difference in the direction a star appears to be traveling depending on where on Earth it is viewed.
What Gaia is able to do is to measure those parallaxes down to a level of something like a few hundredths of an arc second, of a milliarc seconds. And to put that in perspective, it is like you're trying to measure the distance from Cambridge to London on a baseline of the width of a hair.
The Gaia mission aims to explain the billions of years long evolution of our Milky Way galaxy while also helping to predict its future. In other news, if you were outside and looking up this week, you may have seen a phenomenon scientists call the strawberry supermoon. Its name comes from a Native American tradition, as the full moon glows at strawberry harvest time. Supermoons happen when our moon's orbit comes especially close to Earth. This strawberry supermoon glowed brightest on Wednesday, and if you missed it, there's always next year.
21 months ago, a relatively small spacecraft was launched toward the planet Jupiter.
Finally this week, we remember NASA's Pioneer 10 space probe that was the first craft to capture close images of Jupiter in 1973 after navigating the asteroid belt filled with everything from dust particles to chunks of rock as big as Alaska. This week in 1983, Pioneer 10 became the first spacecraft to leave our solar system. Godspeed, Pioneer. Arash, Arabasadi, VOA News.